Hi everyone. So, do you like to know how to do keyword research for your website? Then watch this complete video. After this video, you will be able to do any kind of keyword research you need. So, let us begin. What is keyword? Actually, keyword is a word or phrase over which your website ranks. For example, if you type example.com on any search engine, you will see some website will come over first, over second page, over third page. It means that they are ranking on different ranks on the keyword example. So this is what we say keyword. Now why it is important? It is important because what kind of customer you need on it for your business, which kind of customer you want to bring to your website, and how much backlinks you need to rank your website. So it will ultimately decide the budget of your SEO service. But what we recommend to rank your website on different keywords at some regular interval of time. For example, if you are ranking on example, then rank it on first or second month, then third month ranking on XYZ, something which you need. Now how will you know that how to get which kind of client you need? Identify that much, that what kind of customer he is. Then you need a SEO tool. I recommend SEMrush, but you can use RF also. The link of SEMrush is given in the description. Get at least 7 days trial of SEMrush. It is a very good tool, and RF is also a good tool. If you want, you can use it also. But SEMrush is more advanced, in my opinion. Then what you do? What is your niche? For example, I am a digital marketer. What will be my niche? Digital marketing. Then what will I do? I will type digital marketing, online marketing, and marketing. Then I will search. Click on the search button. It will give you a number of keywords. Number of. Now you have tons of keyword. How will you decide that which keyword is useful for you? That is the magic of tool. It will help you to know. Manually it is quite hard and almost next to impossible to know. So after this, what you do, select keyword difficulty, take it from 1 to 16 or 17. Then again click on search. It will filter some searches, will show that which keywords are, which have keyword difficulty of 1 to 16 or 1 to 17, whatever you select, but it must be below 20. Now you will get a number of keywords. Now in volume type 1000 in from, and then again search. Then you will get that those keywords whose volume is 1000 or above it. Because if you are investing for ranking and just traffic is 100, it is worthless, in my opinion. So you will get those keyword on which 1000 or more traffic is coming. Then on CPC, what do, take from high to low. CPC must be high, then you will get convertible traffic. So select from high to low. You will get which keywords are now have high traffic. Now see, on the volume and clicks. Search for those keywords whose volume is lower than clicks. Now you will get the perfect keyword. This keyword is perfect for you because it will bring convertible traffic to your website, and conversion will be around 2 to 5%. Means 100 out of 2% will convert on your website minimum. That is the worst scenario, and maximum it will be 5. You cannot expect more than 5. Yeah, it is possible, but it is generally it does not happen. So here is your keyword. Now don't select just one keyword, select this kind of 10, 12, or 15 keywords so that you can have options. Then see that how many words that keyword have. Those keywords which have more number of words, that will bring you good customer, that convertible customer. And those keywords who are just two words, that is more preferred because it will bring both traffic and convertible traffic. Now one word keyword, deselect them. Don't take one word keywords, take at least two words keywords or more than it. Use a phrase. Using a phrase is good option. So in this way we do keyword research for any website. So I think that this video will help you a lot, and do all these things in an easy manner. Use SEMrush or RF. In RF you can get a 7-day trial. During that 7-day trial you will know that it is useful for you or not, and if it is not useful, you can discontinue its use, but it don't happen generally. SEMrush is a very advanced tool. Same for RF, it is also very advanced tool. Both are tool of are good enough. So select one of them. Don't opt for any other tool. It's just a request. If you want, you can opt for other also, but it is not going to help you a lot. So I think now you can do keyword research for your website. And if you have any further question, any further query, if you need any consultation without charge, you can comment in the comment section. I will definitely give reply to you if I have time, or I will reply when I have time. So I think you enjoyed this session. One thing I like to say, that be alert from those people who say that learn this course of digital marketing and you will earn tons of crores of lakhs of income. Don't go with them, because earning 50,000 is more tough than earning 50 lakh. So if someone is saying that you will earn 10,000 in next 6 months, you will, you can opt for that. Or someone is saying that you will start earning 2,000, etc, etc, then it is possible. But some people what say that earn 50 lakh per month, it will happen, but it takes time, a lots of time. And second, money is not more important, the target which you have more important. For example, if I have target that I want to give employment to the people, that is my target. For that purpose I will start agency, not because I will earn 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, or 1 lakh, or 1 crore. not for that purpose. So have a target and work for that target. Don't work for money. It will not going to give you growth for long. So this is just my humble request, and that's all for today. We will meet on another video with another topic again. Thanks for listening me.